Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at this gorgeous new brokerage listing. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage. This is an absolutely loaded 23 Vantage. Nearly every option selected from the factory. Two-owner boat, always kept out of the water, always kept under cover. Gorgeous rocket aluminum trailer with the boat. It's got the light gray gel coat. It's got the hard top. It's got the white 300 V8 on it. All the right equipment. Nice electronics package. Really versatile boat. Does a little bit of everything. It's a rugged bow rider is what it is. Can even do water sports. You got a wakeboard attachment on there. Nice walk through here. Nice area in the back to hang out when you're at the sandbar. Freshwater wash down in the right place. Boat's always been plugged in. It has its own battery charger. It's got the Yeti cooler with the nice little wet bar up here. Awesome port side lounger that can turn into a complete lounge. An aft facing backrest. You have the optional table that stores it at the helm. You can bring out when you want to. Awesome bench seat in the back that folds away when you're not using it. Just nice and easy. One hand, it's folded away. Now you're set up to fish or dive. All your equipment and batteries is in this storage compartment here in the bilge. Easy to get to. Raw water wash down. Does have the fish package, so there is a live well underneath this compartment here. Really clean boat. This should be the next one to sell. DTS controls for Mercury. 12-inch Raymarine Axiom with fish finder. It's got the Mercury SmartCraft vessel view. Upgraded Fusion stereo system, active trim tabs, and this is your head compartment. This boat was even ordered with a vacuum flush toilet, just like a yacht has. There's all your covers, your bow cover and your cockpit cover. Everything is like new. Stainless steel windshield cap you see on the windshield. Awesome bow rider seating. He even has the windlass option, which is concealed in this nice compartment up here. The upholstery shines like new. The gel coat shines like new. Save yourself a bunch of money off a new one. You have floor storage. You also have storage in the helm. This is where the table for the cockpit stores. Oh, even has a VHF radio, I just noticed. Really cool. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. This is a 2020 Boston Whaler 23 Vantage dual console. Loaded. In beautiful condition. Again, always stored outside and under cover. Give me a call today, 561-654-6058. Thanks for watching.